Could it be that the biological milieu intérieur of our autistic children is compromised? Greetings everyone, I am Montagnier L. Welcome to Never Do Space, our space. Today, I am discussing the human biological milieu intérieur in relation to autism. Some of you may wonder, what is the milieu intérieur? It is the environment of our inner fluids irrigating every single cell of our body. It is comprised of the plasma, the interstitial fluid, and the lymphatic fluid. It is the environment in which our cells live. Therefore, it has to contain all elements essential for each cell. It is also in the milieu that waste are evacuated to be transported to the organs in charge of eliminating them: liver, lungs, kidneys, gut. But what happens when those organs are not functioning properly? I learned from Dr. Krigsman that there is a type of inflammation associated solely to autism. Autism associated enterocolitis. Inflammation can cause leaky guts. This is when the junction of the intestines is not tight enough. As a consequence of the permeability of the guts, nutrients are not digested properly and enter the blood barrier, causing more inflammation. And inflammation leads to aggressivity, language problems, for instance. But what about those possible elements guilty of deteriorating the milieu of our children? Heavy metals are among the elements that our autists have in common in their milieu intérieur, like mercury, aluminum. Research reveals the presence of heavy metals in the brain of some of them. Heavy metals can cause neuron destruction and gastrointestinal problems, for example. Let's mention the pathogenic bacteria from Sutarella group detected in the intestinal biopsy of a significant high number of autistic children. It is important to add that as the bacteria disappear with treatment, so do some of the features of ASD. Why not look at these bacteria's impact on the body? Toxins. Yeah, like morphine, a small gift from the parasite hosted in the milieu of many of our autists. It is not meant to imply that they are the sole host of parasites. No. I mean, these are parts of the culprits our autists have in common. Get the picture. Can you understand why I've said that their biological milieu intérieur is compromised? In fact, in what I refer to as the submerged portion of the iceberg called autism, autism is defined as an excess of pathogens. And this excess, by damaging some bodily functions, impairs the body's ability to detoxify. Thanks for listening, and may the Almighty bless you.